Yesterday we got beautiful needle sets. This is the Lantern Moon Glory set, and it's 5 inches, that's 13 centimeters. Interchangeable needle set. This is wonderful. Let me show you what it looks like. I already saw it, but I packed it again so you can see how pretty it looks. So, wait. So there's 4 here and 4 more here. Comes with 3 nylon coated stainless steel cords. They're swivel, so your stitches can move around, but the cord stays there. So I love these cords because there's no twisting or curling or anything like that. So, and it has 2 keys, and thank you for making them long. Then it comes with stitch markers. Aren't they cute? Look how pretty these are. And then it comes also, let me take these out, with 4 stoppers. It's so good that the needles have the sizes right there, see? It says US 10, 6 millimeters. You place your needle there, and then you take one of the keys, one of the gadgets, and tighten them. And there you go, your needle is secure. And then on the other side, you can use a stopper. That means you can have 2 cords and they would fit like an amazing amount of stitches. So the cords come in 24 inches, 32 inches, and 40 inches, which is very, very nice. And so wonderful. And then this is ebony. Beautiful, beautiful wood. Very soft and very sleek. Very easy on your hands.